Did you know dirty solar panels can lose up to 30% of their power? That's free energy slipping away. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 solar panel cleaning tools with pole that actually solve this problem fast, safe, and from the ground. Welcome to the channel. Links below. The number 5 product on our list is HIFMGHE Solar Panel Cleaning Tool. Ever wondered why your solar panels aren't performing at full watt efficiency? Even under bright sun, dirt buildup is the hidden culprit, and that's where the HIFMGHE Solar Panel Cleaning Tool earns its stripes. Unlike basic brushes, this powerhouse combines washing, brushing, and scraping, all with 4 precision water outlets and a smart 180-degree rotating head that actually reaches tough corners. Viewers, this isn't just a tool, it's a problem solver for those struggling with stubborn grime and unreachable heights. We've tested tools in the top 5 solar panel cleaning tools with pole list, and HIFMGHE stands out with its lightweight aluminum build, a 65-foot hose that stays unfrozen in winter, and a smooth setup you can trust. It's not the cheapest option, but if you're tired of half-baked cleanings, this delivers peace of mind and lasting performance. Ideal for homeowners with roof-mount panels. Skip it only if you're on a tight budget or use ground-level systems. Number 4 is EQUIPMAXX Solar Panel Cleaning Tool. Most people don't realize that a dirty solar panel can lose up to 25% of its power output. Yes, that much. The EQUIPMAXX Solar Panel Cleaning Tool steps in as a quiet hero for homeowners fed up with risky ladder climbs and inefficient cleaning. Standing tall among the top 5 solar panel cleaning tools with pole, this 30-foot telescopic system made from aerospace-grade aluminum offers unmatched reach and control while weighing just 7.1 pounds. The smooth, water-fed pole glides across panels with continuous flow, and the foam grip adds real comfort during long sessions. While some tools feel flimsy or overly complex, EQUIPMAXX delivers confidence, ease, and peace of mind. It's a relief knowing you can clean from the ground without sacrificing performance. If you own multi-story property or roof-mount solar panels, this tool is a smart investment. Skip it only if you've got ground-level setups or ultra-tight budgets, but for most, it's a solid win. The third one on our list is Buyplus Solar Panel Cleaning Tool. If your solar panels are underperforming and you're tired of juggling between tools, the Buyplus Solar Panel Cleaning Tool might just change your cleaning game. What makes it stand out in the top 5 solar panel cleaning tools with pole is its soft PVC bristlehead, gentle enough to protect delicate surfaces, yet tough on dust and grime. Homeowners often struggle with tools that scratch or don't reach high enough, but this telescopic pole stretches up to 144 inches without bending or warping, offering peace of mind with every stroke. It even connects directly to a garden hose for uninterrupted water flow, saving time and effort. The pole's universal connector adds versatility beyond solar cleaning, which is a smart bonus. While it's better suited for residential use than large-scale arrays, this tool offers a smart, durable solution for anyone seeking safety, ease, and real performance without the mess. A solid, worthwhile pick. On number 2 is IGAD Solar Panel Cleaning Tool. Dirty solar panels can silently rob you of precious watt power, and most tools just can't reach or clean them right. That's where the IGAD Solar Panel Cleaning Tool earns its spot in the top 5 solar panel cleaning tools with pole. Designed in Britain and crafted with real-world practicality, this all-in-one system tackles more than just grime. From its 20-foot extendable pole to the water-fed brush with pencil jets, every piece feels thoughtfully built. The pivoting squeegee and soft-tipped cobweb duster bring unmatched flexibility, giving users a sense of control and safety, especially when cleaning from the ground. We've seen many kits overpromise and underdeliver, but IGAD solves a real pain point. Too many tools, not enough reach. It's a bit heavier than others, yet the extra functionality makes it a smart, reassuring choice. Great for homeowners who demand versatility and quality, less ideal for those seeking a very compact or ultralight solution. Now, moving to the last one is EVERSPROUT Solar Panel Cleaning Tool. Most people don't realize it, but even a thin layer of dust can drain the efficiency of your solar panels by over 15%, and that's where the EVERSPROUT Solar Panel Cleaning Tool steps up with quiet confidence. Ranked among the top 5 solar panel cleaning tools with pole, it's built for those tired of risky ladder climbs and wasted time. The soft bristles paired with a protective rubber bumper give you a worry-free clean without scratches or scuffs. What truly sets this apart is the 24-foot extension pole, letting you reach up to 30 feet while standing safely on the ground. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and strong enough for multiple uses from siding to decks. While it doesn't include a built-in water-fed system like some premium kits, the versatility and build quality make it a smart, no-nonsense pick. Best for users who want reliability, comfort, and peace of mind in every clean. For unbeatable reach, comfort, and scratch-free cleaning, EVERSPROUT takes the win, your ultimate choice for solar panel maintenance perfection. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 solar panel cleaning tools with Pole. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.